Catholic World, brought to you by Newsnet.
News from Meghalaya. Nearly 10,000 pilgrims converged at the Sacred Heart Shrine in Mao Lai near Shillong for the annual pilgrimage in honor of the Sacred Heart of Jesus. Hosted by Sacred Heart Theological College, the event drew faithful from the Archdiocese of Shillong and from neighboring dioceses of Nong Stoin and Jovai.
History in the making for the Jesuits. On April 12 this year, Father General announced the merger of the Darjeeling Province and Nepal region, forming the new Darjeeling Nepal Province. Effective July 31, 2025, Father Joseph Chakalakal S.J. will lead as its first provincial, ushering in a new era of unity and mission. The National Bioethics Forum of the Conference of Catholic Bishops of India, CCBI, conducted a one-day pre-conference workshop on June 11 at St. John's National Academy of Health Sciences in Bengaluru. The workshop aimed to provide Catholic healthcare institutions from across India with practical guidance on establishing and operating hospital ethics committees.
On June 7, the Agartala Diocese Youth Commission spearheaded a dynamic, statewide cleanliness drive across Tripura. Enthusiastic youth and young Catholic students from every parish joined forces to clean public spaces, from streets to community areas. Their mission: promote environmental stewardship and raise awareness about sustainable waste management. With unwavering commitment, they engaged local residents, inspiring cleaner, greener neighborhoods throughout the diocese.
Salesian Father Dr. Matthew George of the Kolkata province, a former professor of Sacred Heart Theological College, Shillong, has pioneered a mission to leprosy patients in West Bengal. His initiative aligns with Salesian India's preparations for the centenary celebration of its mother province, Calcutta, in February 2026. Don Bosco HRD Mission has provided critical aid to patients at the Bankura Leprosy Hospital, the largest leprosy treatment center in eastern India.
Catholic World, brought to you by Newsnet.
धर्म परिवर्तन हमको मारापिटा करुछंती किंतु ए अन्य अत्याचार सहिबा नहीं आ केते दिन सहिबा एई भारत वर्ष रे हम स्वाधीनता चाहू एई भारत वर्ष रे हम स्वाधीनता चाहू हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई हम समस्त भाई भाई तेणु भारत वर्ष रे हम शांति रहिबा पय हम आशा करछु.
On 9th June, Christians across Odisha's 30 districts held peaceful protests urging the central government to protect their religious freedom and end persecution. Organized by the National Christian Front, the demonstrators submitted memoranda to district collectors highlighting systemic discrimination in education, employment, and other areas faced by the Christian community in Odisha.
आज आम कंधमाल जिलार सदर महकुमा फुलबाणी में आम हजार हजार संख्यार लोक मैंने आसी आज आम महामहिम राष्ट्रपति को आम मेमोरांडम देचु जे यही मेमोरांडम उद्देश्य स्मारक पत्र उद्देश्य है जे आगामी दिन में आम क्रिश्चियन कम्युनिटी को यही अकथनीय जंत्रणा बा ताड़ना दिया न जाऊ एवं संविधान से जो अधिकार आम पाइछु ताको आम बलवत्तर भाव जो आम जीवन में कार्यकारी करूँ से आम उद्देश्य ये आम आसी आज आसलु एवं आम क्रिश्चियन कम्युनिटी तरफ आम कलेक्टर को आम मेमोरांडम देचु.
आम क्रिश्चियन शांति आम रहा चाहूँ समस्ते भाई भाई हिंदू क्रिश्चियन मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई समस्ते भाई भाई किंतु कहीं जदि कौन भाई ताहा जदि भूली जाए ताहले आईन अनुसार हो जेकोसी प्रकार हो भाईचारार उद्देश्य देवा आम निश्चित कर.
Christian families in Odisha's Narayanpatna and Bondugaon blocks are hiding in forests after their homes were attacked on 9th June, hours after the Rashtriya Christian Morcha urged the president for protection. The violence linked to anti-social elements, followed protests for religious freedom across Odisha. Preliminary reports confirm 3 incidents in Koraput district, underscoring the ongoing persecution of the Christian community. In a shocking incident, 5 masked robbers stormed a church in Samsera village, Jharkhand, after midnight on Sunday, looting 8 lakh rupees. The armed assailants brutally assaulted parish priests during the heist. On Monday, outraged Christian community members protested, condemning the robbery as an attack on religious freedom. Authorities are investigating this brazen crime.